The Dog and His Bone, based on a fable by Aesop. Once there was a big dog. This dog was often hungry, so when he got a bone, he ate it quickly. He never gave a bit to any other dog. If he saw a little dog with a bone, he would chase the other dog and say, "Woof, give me that bone!" Then he would take the bone all for himself. One day he was very hungry and went in search of food. He trotted through the town, looking here and there, when to his joy the butcher tossed him a big bone. As he was hurrying home with his prize, the smaller dogs of the neighborhood called out to him, "Please, won't you share with us?" When the big dog heard this, he held the bone tightly in his mouth and ran home as fast as he could. To reach his home, the dog had to cross a bridge. As he crossed the bridge, he looked down and saw himself reflected in the water, as if it were a mirror. But the foolish dog thought he saw another dog in the water, holding a juicy bone bigger than his own. "If I take that bone, then I'll have two," thought the big dog. So he growled and snapped his teeth. But the moment he opened his mouth to bark, his bone fell out of his mouth and into the water. As he sadly watched the bone disappear, he realized that there had not been a dog in the water at all. It was only his own foolish and now very hungry self. The moral of the story is, it's very foolish to be greedy.